Thank you for joining us on datacloudnow, where we bring you the latest in all things data in business and industry. I'm Ryan Green, and I'm joined by Lior Gavish, CTO of Monte Carlo, along with Luke Lin, Director of Product at SoFi, and Jacob Fullis, Chief Innovation Officer at Collaborative Imaging. Gentlemen, such a pleasure having. It's great to sit down with Monte Carlo again and joined by two customers. Doesn't get any better than this. You know, Lior, to start with, as CTO of a data observability company, what trends are you noticing, and how is Monte Carlo adapting to meet the needs of your clients?
Yeah, absolutely. So just like Snowflake, we're seeing an immense growth in the use of data to power businesses, essentially. Both the analytics that always existed, but also machine learning use cases and using data for applications, putting data in front of customers and partners. And as people are doing that, the reliability and trust in data becomes more and more important. And Monte Carlo is all about helping teams do that. We're kind of borrowing from the world of DevOps and from the ideas around how to make software reliable and applying them to the world of data engineering and data pipelines and data product. We've just been incredibly excited to see how the market kind of adopted the idea and also put it in practice in so many organizations. So it's been very exciting to be part of this trend.
You know, Luke, to pivot slightly, let's start off with big picture. How is SoFi leveraging data to deliver on your mission to reach financial independence for your over 4 million members? And what's the role of data observability in that process?
Yeah, that's a great question. So as we know, SoFi is a one-stop shop. We offer a whole variety of financial products to help our members get their money right. From basic analytics use cases to more advanced things like personalization and ML, we really see a huge role in data in how we actually depict what does financial independence look like. Right. That looks different for every individual person.
I was just about to say that, exactly.
Yeah. But now that we have the power of data and data observability, we can actually articulate what that looks like, and then we can build a better product to help meet those needs. But data observability is huge as part of that. It's our job to make sure that we have reliable data so that we can help our customers make really good, reliable decisions with their data, with their finances, really.
You know, power of the ecosystem at work.
Yeah.
You know, Jacob, from your perspective, Collaborative Imaging is seeing over 18,000 patients a day. How is the use of data analytics helping doctors to make quicker diagnoses and to ensure really that the data is reliable and fast? How do you make sure that that happens?
Yeah, so I think there's a couple ways that we look at this, and obviously the clinicians are the ones doing all the work, and we're just here to kind of assist them on the back end, right? So we're not doing that diagnosing or that patient work for them, but we're trying to take away all the barriers like on the administrative side and the distractions. So we kind of do it two ways, like retroactive, where we help them with the analytics that tell them how their staffing models are. Like, do you have enough doctors in this location to treat all the patients and the quick enough turnaround time? If you have a doctor or a patient coming in with head trauma and they have like a stroke, it could be 8 minutes that they have to live. Wow. So really having that sort of that data and those staffing models appropriate so they can have people available to look at those patients. And then kind of more where we're going in the future is really trying to leverage Snowflake at the beginning or the front of our infrastructure and have some of that real-time data go in so that instead of only looking retroactively at the staffing models, we can actually more real-time give them alerting when they're kind of out of statistical control or when the turnaround time is too slow. And so that's like a new initiative, again, kind of leveraging some of our like messaging systems and Snowflake's kind of real-time offerings that they've been rolling out. So.
I'm glad you mentioned Snowflake. We're at Data Cloud World Tour here in San Francisco. The buzz, the excitement, the music is just getting going here. What are you three hearing today, and what excites you most about the future? Lior, if you'd like to start.
I'm just excited to see how data is being used in a variety of industries. When we started Monte Carlo, I thought a lot of our customers will just be tech companies, but I've been shocked to see data kind of penetrating across the board in industries that have existed for hundreds of years, like manufacturing and media and education and whatnot. So I'm really excited to see how data gets used in all those different industries and really makes a huge impact on these businesses and on the well-being of their customers.
And Luke, from your standpoint?
Yeah, I'm personally really excited to see data as a product. Data becoming more of a product of itself, going beyond what has traditionally been done by analytics. Uncovering new use cases thanks to advancements with Snowflake and Monte Carlo and others.
No, we're excited about this next chapter. Jacob, anything you'd like to add?
Yeah, I think echoing what they said, I mean, it's all fun to see and exciting, and I think like some of the stuff that Snowflake's bringing to market with like the flexibility of things like Unistore and things like the real-time ingestion. I mean, that's helping us stand those things up without all the engineering complexity. Somebody like me can go start a table, start a real-time ingestion. So yeah, that's exciting that like the citizen developer, the non technical person can kind of start doing offering some of those to their customers. So.
Well, gentlemen, it's been an absolute pleasure speaking with you live here at Data Cloud World Tour. Thank you so much for the audience watching. I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. And listen, more conversations are coming up. And if you missed any content, no problem. Just be sure to click below. All the on-demand content for Snowflake Data Cloud World Tour is at your fingertips. I'm Ryan Green. We'll see you soon.